Welcome guys to the J&K Racing YouTube channel. Today I bring you my 2001 Yamaha Blaster 200. This blaster has a Pro Circuit pipe, Alba Racing Nerf bars, and Pro Taper bars. And today I'm going to tell you why this is the best four-wheeler to buy for $1,500 or less. First off, I'm going to start with the price. $1,500 for a really clean one that may be built. So that means probably going to have a pipe, maybe a new air box or air filter, maybe reeds, power reeds, maybe it's got different front suspension. Stuff like that is what makes it a $1,500 quad, or possibly one that is completely untouched and barely ridden. And that's actually how I bought mine. So what I did is I put this Pro Circuit pipe on, the Platinum pipe, and it opened it up like no other. That was $300 for the header and the silencer, and let's give it a listen. Another reason why this is the best quad is this motor. This is a 200cc two-stroke engine, and if it blows up, guess what? It's not expensive to fix. My friend just blew the hell out of his up. The entire top end, actually Travis did it. He poured it and polished it, got it all good to go, and he probably only spent $200 rebuilding it. So that is another reason why, if it ever has a problem, chances are it's very easy to fix. Actually, this one's reeds blew out not too long ago, and, you know, you pop the force bolts out of that and she's good to go. The third reason it's a great starter quad is the fact that the power is not crazy, but even for somebody who is 17 and likes to rip things that are really fast, it's still a boatload of fun to mess around with. I actually just brought this to Majestic Trails in Pennsylvania, which I'll insert some clips here and there if I get them, and that might be on the channel as well. But this thing did it like a champ. This is the second time it's been there, and it did not let me down once. The only problem I had is the throttle stuck open, but this has the Taurus system, so the second that it sticks open, when you release that the throttle, it turns right off. But that was the only problem I had. So this thing is really reliable. You can get them probably a lot cheaper than this one. I'm listing this for $1,300. I'm going to be moving on to a faster quad. Like I said, it's a good starter quad, but I need something a little faster now to compete with the rest of the J&K crew. But that is just another reason why this is a great quad, because it really gets you good at riding, and you can learn wheelies on it if you want to. You could drag race it with your friends like I do. You can do trails. You can do pretty much everything. And if your age is like 13 to 16, this is a great quad to start off with, because like I said, not too much power. It won't kill you. It will pop up in a wheelie, and that's always a good thing. But thank you guys for watching. If you like videos like this, please like, comment, and subscribe. Have a great day, and buy yourself a blaster.